pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We are a minute in, a minute still to go, and this is demo drones right now. We had a full field at 8, and all of our fast pilots have been just that, fast. Most of them have crashed. Let's go up to our Soaring Sky start-finish line with Jerrod. He's got another couple of laps to go. Looks like he's going to get 4 in here in this session. Jerrod right now in the number 12 spot overall. Yesterday, his fastest 3 combined got him about 91 seconds, so he was solid, but unfortunately he is in rough shape right here. Jerrod just getting those lines in, using that air. Interesting line in the wind right there for him. Seeing if we can get some momentum. So far our bubble time has not changed. Oh, it has changed. We've inched a few in unofficially into our top 64, even though 64th is still 3 laps to 18. Here comes It Will Be Fun. We're going to shut him down at the line, though. It will be done. Looks like 2 laps in the session, 2 laps in 2:02. Everyone else, when we cross, we're done. 1 more to finish, and there's Jerrod. He's going to get his 4 in. Lap 1, a 42. Lap 2, a 30. Lap 3, a 34. And this one, as he gets up to Soaring Skies, 32 and 2 in the wins. So combined total for him, 3 laps in 1 minute 37 seconds. So he was only, look at that, 4 seconds longer in the wins on his 3 laps. Let's retrieve some quads. All clear, all clear.